Names of natural things. Earth. Earth. Earth is the planet we live on. Sky. Sky. Birds fly in the sky. Sea. Sea. A very large sea is called an ocean. Sun. Sun. The sun rises in the east and sets in the west. Moon. Moon. The moon appears at night. Star. Star. There are numerous stars in the sky. Day. Day. The sun shines during the day. Night. Night. We sleep during night. Wind. Wind. Wind is a flow of air. The leaves and branches of trees swing in wind. A gentle wind is called breeze. Cloud. Cloud. Clouds are formed of water vapor. Snow. Snow. Snow is water vapor frozen into ice particles. Fog. Fog. Fog is a cloud of tiny water droplets in the air. Rain. Rain. People welcome summer rains. Lightning. Lightning. It is a bright flash of light from the sky, which could be dangerous. Thunder. Thunder. The loud noise in the sky following lightning. Storm. Storm. It is a very strong wind which destroys things. Wave. Wave. It is a long body of water curling into an arched form. Pond. Pond. It is a small body of still water. Lake. Lake. It is a large area of water surrounded by land. Stream. Stream. A stream is a small, narrow river. 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 It is a large, natural stream of water flowing into a lake or the sea. Waterfall. Waterfall. It is a cascade of river water falling from a height. Hill. Hill. It is a high area of land that is not as high as a mountain. 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 A mountain is of a very high hill. Volcano. Volcano. It is a mountain with a hole or crater at the top through which fire, smoke, and melted rock sometimes come out. Valley. Valley. It is a lowland between hills or Mountains, usually with a river or stream flowing through it. Forest. Forest. It is a large area covered with trees and undergrowth. Beach. Beach. It is a pebbly or sandy shore by the sea. Desert. Desert. It is a waterless, sandy, desolate area with little or no plants. Oasis. Oasis. It is a fertile or green area with water in a desert. Island. Island. It is a piece of land surrounded by water. Sand. Sand. It is small grains of rock found in deserts and on beaches. Soil. Soil. Plants need soil to grow. Rock. Rock. Rocks form part of the surface of the earth. Stone. Stone. Stones are pieces or chunks of rocks. Still smaller chunks are called pebbles. Farmlands. Farmlands. Farmlands are man-made areas for cultivation. Grass. Grass. Cows, sheep, and horses eat grass. Tree. Tree. Trees grow tall with a woody stem and often with branches. Plant. Plant. Bush. Bush.